Good morning, I am Mahinder of class 6th from LCRT Public School.
Good morning, I am Karan of class 6th from LCRT Public School. Today I am going to present my model on sustainable agriculture under the theme lifestyle for environment. Agriculture is the backbone of our country. It provides food for all of us and employment to millions of farmers. But today farming face many challenges: water shortage, soil pollution, high fertilizer use, and changing climate. To overcome these problems, we need a new approach that protect both nature and farmers. This is called sustainable agriculture. Introduction: sustainable agriculture means growing crops in a way that meets today's needs without harming the ability of future generation to grow there. It focus on saving water, maintaining soil fertility, and protect the environment while increased crop production. It promotes method like organic farming, crop rotation, drip irrigation, compost use, and solar powered pumps. This is a landscape directionally to the theme lifestyle for environment. Become it encourage.
Start.
Responsible and eco-friendly habits in our daily lives and in farming problems. Over the years, to get more field, farmers have used chemical fertilizer and excess water. This has caused serious problems. The soil is losing its fertility, groundwater levels are falling, air and water are increased, and farming costs have gone up. If this continues, farming will become difficult and our future generation may not get healthy food or clean water. Solution: the best solution of adopt sustainable and eco-friendly farming. Plastic my model shown different way to achieve this. Drip irrigation system: water is supplied drop by drop to the root of the plant, saving water and energy. Organic compost: rid farm waste and leaf are turned into natural instead of using chemical. Rotation: growing different
Start.
turned into natural manner instead by using chemicals. Drop rotation: growing different crop one after another, keeping the soil healthy. Solar pump: use the solar energy, irrigate instead of diesel to fill. Thank you.
Start.
This simple step make farming sustainable and beneficial for both farming and nature impact. This impact sustainable agriculture is very
Start.
impact sustainable agriculture is very partial and long lasting. Soil become rich and fertile again. Water is conserved for future generation. Pollution is reduced because fewer chemicals are used.
Start.
It also helps India move toward the dream of Viksit Bharat to 2047, a developed, self-reliant and eco-friendly nation. Conclusion: sustainable agriculture teaches us that nature and farming must go hand in hand. By protects the soil, water and air, we protect our own future. Let us take a pledge today. Save soil, save water, and support sustainable farming. Because when the farming grows, the motion grows. Thank you.
Thank you.